Did you all see the club bully, Lionel Messi, over this weekend? Did you all see that brilliant hat-trick with all that breathtaking brilliance and out-of-the-world finishing? Oh, what a ball of great for Barcelona. Do I have to say? Or is it obvious? All right, let me say it anyway. Where is this Lionel Messi for Argentina? Where is this Messi at the World Cup in big games? And don't bother with this redundant nonsense. But Argentina no good, and his teammates this, and the system that, and blah, blah, blah. Argentina consistently had some of the best teams in the world with some of the best players in the game. Messi gets the football at his feet for Argentina, just like he gets it for Barcelona. And Messi gets a whole heap of ball at his feet at the World Cup and don't do nothing with them. When he gets those same balls for Barcelona, net stitch. Why, Messi? Why? It is one of the 7 wonders of the world and the biggest wonder in football that Lionel Messi cannot produce anything close to his club brilliance on the biggest stage. So you see, nowadays when we hear say this big excitement that Lionel Messi has scored 50 hat-tricks and 500 or 600 and odd goals, and he just scored another brace or another hat-trick, you know the Maverick get him a thing there? He may give him a thing like this. Next channel.
Sports commentary.